Hi guys and welcome to the video. Now as you can see, I'm not in my office at the moment. I'm actually away for a little while. Restrictions in the UK have kind of been lifted a little bit, so you can actually travel in the UK. First time in quite a few months, so I've come away to my place at the coast. Now there is an app launching on the 30th of April called CompeteUp. And as always, I wanted to do amazing competition for this and give an amazing giveaway as well. Now, as always, to enter the competition, all you need to do is comment on this video, like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you would. But please take a look at the description below. It'll take you across to this page, this pre-sale page where you can see the bonuses, everything here that we're going to have for the 30th of April. Also got some free gifts right at the bottom of here. It takes a little while to get there. So when you get to the page, you can download these free gifts. You can see the bonuses that will be available on the 30th. Now, also on this page, you will see a preview of the application here. You can log into that application, register, and do some sharing actions. And inside we have 3 rewards to give away. That's 3 pieces of software with training and everything else included. Okay, but as always, the main competition is for a copy of CompeteUp plus my amazing bonus pack. Now all you need to do to enter that is, if you don't want the giveaways, is to comment on this video, like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Then you're in with a chance of that and winning that amazing prize. But if you want the extra downloads and the extra giveaway packs which are in this application, just look at the description below. Go to that page, register on the app, and start completing these giveaways. So thanks for watching. Watch out for the next video.